Take a ride in the 2025 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, leather trim seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.